Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers. Yes.
So aftermath, last night, finally getting a chance to try to figure out what's going on and focus. This is what happened. Hey, Malin. Yeah, that's what happened. Man, look at that. I don't know what's going on. Rod or drop valve or something. Definitely can't see down in there right now. I don't have no flashlight with me neither. But I do have some material down in cylinder 1. There's material in cylinder 1. And that spark plug came from cylinder 1. Let's see if I can get anything else from out of cylinder 1. Not much else on the magnet, but that's what's going on with cylinder 1. So I guess that's one of those, you know, back to the pavement moments, yo. So, I don't know. I guess I'll end up probably having to take the head off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it by hand to see if I get any binding, see if it's the rods or anything. I'm still gonna, I'm gonna open up the oil pan and bring down everything, the oil galley, everything, and see what I can see with the rods. Probably won't get to it today because it's already getting kind of late, getting dark. And it's pretty chilly. It's not cold as hell, but it's pretty chilly. I don't know, man. I'm hoping, you know, it's not too much. I'm hoping that it's something easy, nothing serious. And I'm hoping it's not a drop valve, and I'm hoping it's not a bent rod, but I prefer a bent rod over a drop valve. So, stay tuned. So I wasn't gonna add this clip in of the day that the whole situation happened or whatnot, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it in behind this. So my whole thing is, you know, I had that feeling like, let the people know what's going on and why you're finna rebuild or tear something apart, so that they know it's a learning experience. And YouTube, and especially, I feel like any page and every page or every channel that's out here, you can learn something from. So that's half of my reason of, you know, doing a YouTube channel, is to give the people something to watch, but also it's a learning curve. And for me, I like to go back and watch what I did and see how much I progressed and where I started at and where I'm at now. So right now I need you to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for me, you know, share, comment, help me grow. But everything that happened and the reason it happened is in the next clip right behind this one. So thank you again.